Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona has taken its toll. With millions falling sick every day, nobody knows when this pandemic will end. अगर आपने भी मेरी तरह कोरोना को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस किया है तो आप जानते हैं कि ये बैटल आसान नहीं है। ठीक होने के बाद भी ब्रेथलेसनेस एंड फैटिग जैसी कई प्रॉब्लम्स हमारा साथ नहीं छोड़ती। After all, your body goes through a lot trying to survive. Corona Recovery Program है आपका one-stop solution to fix all these problems. ये simple to follow regimen specifically डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है। Slow, controlled and easy movement से ये challenge आपके stamina को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा. Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके। ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है एल्बो ओपनर्स। सो गो अहेड एंड लिफ्ट योर आर्म्स अप, एल्बोज बेंट एंड forearm facing towards you. Breathe in as you open, breathe out as you close. इसकी हम करेंगे 8 repetitions. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is cross chest ab twists. So go ahead and cross your hands over your chest and lean slightly forward, keeping your back straight. And then twist on one side and the other. 8 repetitions on each side. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is arm lifts to tricep taps. Go ahead and lift your arms straight up. Bend at the elbows, tap your thumb on the back, keeping your elbows stable and back. As you lift your arms up, you breathe in. As you drop your arms, you breathe out. इसकी भी हम करेंगे 8 repetitions. And relax. अब हम करेंगे कुछ wrist की movement. So go ahead and stretch your hands straight out in front of you. Make fists with your hands and start making circles, 8 in one direction. And 8 in the opposite. And relax. Up next, guys, is a few head movements, starting with head left to right. And relax. Up next is head tilts. And finally, guys, lower side only half circles. and relax. Up next, guys, is straight leg marching chops. Go ahead and stretch your legs straight out in front of you. Arms lifted overhead and lift the opposite leg, keeping it straight at the knee. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is standing groiners. Get your hands on the waist. If balance is an issue, you can always use a chair or a wall to support you. Go ahead and make big circles with your knee. 4 in one direction and 4 in the opposite direction. Let's change your side. 4 in one direction again. Four in the opposite. And relax. Up next, guys, is standing knee lifts to chest. Go ahead and keep your hands at waist level in front of you and lift the opposite knee to touch the hand. And relax. Up next, guys, is our calf extensions. Go ahead and put your hands onto your knees, leaning forward, putting the weight onto your knees. Lift your heels up and down. And relax. Finally, guys, आज की हमारी last movement है ankle rotations. Go ahead and pick your left leg up and start making big circles with your ankles. Change the direction. Let's switch sides. Changing directions. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की warm up movements. I hope that you all are sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can go ahead and repeat this circuit one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के कुछ आसन्स. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है उत्थित त्रिकोण आसन, also known as extended triangle pose. इसे हम करेंगे standing position में. Go ahead and open your knees nice and wide, feet apart, knees locked. Point your right leg out, your right toe. Breathe in as you lift your arms up and breathe out as you lower down, keeping the other hand straight up and gaze over to your left shoulder. Breathe in and relax. दूसरी तरफ भी रिपीट करेंगे उत्थित त्रिकोणासन, extended triangle pose. Feet nice and wide. Left toe pointed out. Knees locked in straight. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bringing your hand down, looking over your right shoulder and hold. Breathe in and relax. Our next asana for today is Namaskarasana, also known as the prayer squat. इसे हम start करेंगे in the standing position, feet slightly apart, slightly wider than your shoulders. Take a deep breath in as you bring your arms together into a namaskar, and breathe out as you drop down into a squat, elbows inside the knees and hip pushed down. Breathe in and relax. एक बार फिर से रिपीट करेंगे, नमस्कार आसन, the prayer squat pose. Feet slightly wide, toes pointed out. Deep breath in as you bring your palms together. Breathe out as you sit down into a squat, elbows inside the knees. Breathe in and relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है आनंद बालासन, also known as the happy baby pose. इसे हम करेंगे supine position में. Lying down on your back. Bend your knees towards your chest, holding them on the outside with your hands. Try to push your knees down towards the ground and your knees nice and open wide. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. एक बार फिर से रिपीट करेंगे, आनंद बाल आसन, also known as the happy baby pose. Breathe in, breathe out as you bring your knees towards your chest, holding your feet from the outside. Breathe in and relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है अधोमुखा मंडूक आसन, also known as the downward facing frog pose. इसे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे in the kneeling position. Open your knees wide, toes pointed out, and elbows down. Back straight and hold. Breathe in and relax. एक बार फिर से रिपीट करेंगे, डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग फ्रॉग. Knees slightly open, toes pointed out, elbows down, back straight, hip jutting out and hold. Breathe in and relax. So guys, अब हम करेंगे कुछ प्राणायाम एक्सरसाइजेस। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट प्राणायाम एक्सरसाइज है 4-2-4-2 ब्रीदिंग, ऑल्सो नोन एज इजी ब्रेथ। इसे आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं 2 to 4 मिनट्स तक। एज द नेम सजेस्ट्स, इसमें आप ब्रीथ करेंगे इन थ्रू द नोज टू द काउंट ऑफ 4, होल्ड टू द काउंट ऑफ 2. Breathe out through the nose to the count of 4 and hold to the count of 2. And relax. Finally guys, आज की हमारी लास्ट प्राणायाम एक्सरसाइज है उज्जयी प्राणायाम, ऑल्सो नोन एज ओशंस ब्रेथ। इसे हम प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं 2 to 4 मिनट्स तक। इसमें आप ब्रीथ करेंगे इन थ्रू द नोज बट कंस्ट्रिक्टिंग योर थ्रोट। ब्रीथ आउट भी करेंगे थ्रू द नोज बट कंस्ट्रिक्टिंग योर थ्रोट। इसे ओशंस ब्रेथ भी कहते हैं। And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की movements. I hope you enjoyed them and are not too tired. Remember, consistency is the name of the game here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So please take it easy, give your body a chance to heal. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for cutting edge fitness challenges. Happy healing.